Hello, my friends. Today, let's start talking about some mathematical questions regarding the FIFA World Cup. The World Cup started in 1930. Except for some special circumstances, it is basically held every 4 years. The scale and format of the competition are also constantly changing. Beginning in 1994, in the group stage, the system of 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and no points for a loss was adopted. Since 1998, the scale has been expanded to 32 teams, which last until now, 2022. There are 8 groups, so each group has 4 teams. In a group, every 2 teams play once, so in each group there are 6 games. The top 2 at the end advance to the next stage of the competition. Now let's discuss a small question. If the second team in a group comes with the final 2 points, how many points does the first team in that group get? This question is very simple, and the answer is 9 points. As long as we list all the possibilities, the only possibility that satisfies the condition is that the first team wins all the other 3, for a total 9 points. The other 3 teams all lose to the first, but the games between them are all draws, so all of them end up with 2 points. The second team is ahead of the other 2 teams due to other advantages, such as goal difference, goals, or fair play points, etc. However, can we give a mathematical proof that this is the only possibility? Yes, albeit a little more difficult for the students from the 5th grade. We know that each group has a total of 6 games. Just like the Football League topics we discussed earlier, 6 games yield a minimum of 12, and a maximum of 18 points. The specific situation depends on how many games are not ended with a draw, if in X games a team win the other. The final total points are 12 plus X. Now let's assume that the first team wins n games. Regardless of the results of other games, the total points of this group cannot be fewer than 12 plus n. The second team has 2 points, then the third and fourth teams both have a maximum of 2 points each, and these 3 teams can get a maximum of 6 points. Then the first will get at least 12 plus n minus 6, that is, 6 plus n points. Then how many points can it get at most? And winning games yield 3 times n points. The best result for the other 3 minus n games is a draw, yielding 3 minus n points, for a total of 3 plus 2 times n points. So 3 plus 2 times n cannot be smaller than 6 plus n. So n cannot be smaller than 3. Because one team has only 3 group games, that is, n cannot be bigger than 3 either. So n can only be equal to 3. That is, the first team wins 3 games, and gets a total of 9 points. The proof is done. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.